Serena shades do more than cover a window. Schedule them to automatically open using an app for a gentle wake-up with natural light. Or use the wireless remote to adjust them just enough. Serena shades are available in 2 styles. They move quietly together. They're great for hard-to-reach windows, and because they're cordless, they're safer for kids and pets. Plus, they use standard batteries, which are easy to change and have an industry-leading battery life. These shades integrate with Caseta by Lutron lighting controls, making it easy to create a magical moment. And when it's time to reconnect after a long day, voice control helps set the mood. Serena Smart Shades. Transform your space and simplify your life.